We finally made it to Tokyo, the heart of Shibuya!
It's even more crowded than the pictures showed.
Haru, stay close to me. Don't get distracted.
All right, team, let's fly this drone.
Be careful, it's our first time. It'll be fine. Ready when you are.
Yeah! Go, drone, go! Look, come back now!
Wow, it's so beautiful up there.
What a lovely night for ice cream.
It's perfect, so peaceful.
Yeah! And the drone is coming too.
Of course, let's go.
There's a great spot just ahead.
Look at the giant 3D cat on that screen.
Hana and I will grab some quick snacks at that stall.
Wait right by this Hachiko statue. Don't move.
Aiko, hold the hotel room key and the map.
I've got it, Dad. We'll be right here. Can I get a matcha ice cream too?
Whoa, look at all these lights. I know, it's like, let's go. This place is amazing.
It really is. I wonder what's next. Let's find out.
Whoa, did you see that glowing drone fly by?
It's just a toy, Haru. Stay put.
It went into that narrow alleyway. It's glowing blue.
Mom said wait exactly here. Don't move.
I just want to see where it lands. Just 1 second.
Haru, come back here right now.
I'll be right back, Aiko. I promise.
Oh no, back!
Where did it go? It was just here. I shouldn't have moved. I'm such a dummy. Stay calm. What did Dad say? Go back to the hotel? But I don't have the key. Aiko has the key. Wait, where's the Hachiko statue? Where's Aiko?
Aiko! Mom! Dad!
Everything looks different back this way. Was it left or right? Maybe I can find the train station. The hotel was near there. Please, let me find the big crossing again. Oh no, this isn't the crossing. This is a basement.
Hey, kids aren't allowed in the kitchen area.
I'm sorry. I thought this was the way to the street.
You're lost, aren't you? Where's your family?
Yes, my parents are waiting. I don't know. We were at the big crossing.
You can't stay here. It's dangerous with the hot oil.
I'm just really hungry.
Hunger makes you wander into trouble. Take this rice ball.
Thank you, but I have to find my mom.
Go to the security desk upstairs. Now, out of my kitchen!
Okay.
Wow, this place is huge. Okay, I can do this. The signs say to go this way. Almost there! I'm getting further away. I can feel it. Maybe that lady over there can help me. Excuse me, do you know where the Hachiko statue is? Sorry, I'm in a rush. Check the signs. Everyone is in such a hurry here. Nobody has time. What if I never find them? What if I live in this subway? The koi are so beautiful. Hello there, little friends.
I'll just sit here for a little bit. My legs are so tired. Maybe Mom and Dad are looking for this peaceful garden too.
It's unusual to see such a small boy alone in the garden.
Oh, I'm sorry. I think I'm lost.
Lost is sometimes just finding a new place. Come sit. And where were you staying, Haru-kun?
At the Hotel Blue near the big station.
Ah, the Shibuya Cerulean? That is a very tall hotel.
Yes, that's it. The big blue one. We were near it before. I was very scared. A chef yelled at me and gave me an onigiri.
Then you were brave and you are fed, both very important things.
Do you know the way? Can you take me there?
I will walk with you. But first, finish your tea.
Wait, where's Haru? I thought he was right here.
He ran off towards the blue alley to see a drone. You let him go? You were supposed to watch him. It happened so fast, Mom. I was looking at the map for 1 second.
Hana, stay calm. Screaming won't find him. Which way, Aiko?
That way, past the big electronics store.
He's only 8! In this city? Ren, we have to call the police!
Aiko, you stay here. Do not move from this spot. Hana, we will check the alley and the electronics store. He can't have gone far. Please, you must help! Our son Haru, he's gone!
He's 8 years old, wearing a bright yellow hoodie, messy black hair. Calm down, ma'am. Tell me exactly where you last saw him.
財布です。娘がなくしたみたいで。学校の帰り道に多分落としたみが。
おそらくこの辺りです。通がありました。届けてみます。こちらに。
At the Hachiko statue, Shibuya Crossing, about 40 minutes ago.
Our daughter is still waiting there in case he returns. Good. That is the best plan. What language does he speak? English and some basic Japanese. Sumimasen. We will put out an alert. Stay near the koban or the statue.
Oh, Haru, please be safe, my little boy.
Memory is a funny thing. It can be tricky.
What about the map? Aiko had the map and the key. I have nothing.
Then we will go to the front desk. They will have a list.
This is it! I remember these glass doors and the big C sign.
It is a very impressive building. Do you know your room number?
2214?
Thank you so much, Mrs. Sato. You are the kindest person in Tokyo.
Nonsense. I was just taking a walk.
Welcome to the Cerulean. How may I assist you? Are you certain that is where you are staying? Yes! Room 2218! He must have gone back! Okay, let's go. But your parents need to know.
Okay. They haven't come back. They haven't found him.
Don't worry, they are just checking.
One last place.
All units, Shibuya area. Lost boy found. Repeat, Unit 4. Boy found. Can you confirm the location? Shibuya Cerulean Hotel lobby. The Cerulean! That's our hotel! He's at the hotel!
We are looking for this boy's family. They are staying here. What is the family name, please?
My dad is Ren. Ren Tanaka.
One moment, let me check our system. Ah, yes. Room 2218 is now met.
I know. They are looking for me. We were at the crossing.
Don't worry, we can contact their phones through the room system.
I will wait here with you, Haru-kun, until your parents arrive.
Thank you again. But I think I should wait by the door.
Don't blame me. We both looked away. It was my ice cream idea.
This is the worst trip ever. My baby is alone.
Wait, my phone is vibrating. It's a Japanese number.
I shouldn't have given you the key card, Ren. We made a mistake too.
Wow, look at all those lights. I wonder what's happening down there.
It's getting really dark now. The crossing must be crazy. What if they can't hear the phone call? What if they don't know I'm here? I should have stayed with the chef. Or the lady on the bench. I promise I'll never run off to look at another drone again. Not even a purple one. Wait, is that Aiko through the glass? No, just another tall girl with a backpack. Darn. But Mrs. Sato was right. This was the best place to go. She's asleep. I guess I'm on my own again. I'm going to have a giant ice cream when I find them. Giant.
Haru, my little Haru. Mom, Dad,
We found you, buddy. You're safe. We've got you.
I know. Stay close. Don't move. I broke it.
Okay, family meeting. We need to talk about what happened. First, Aiko, thank you for staying put. That was very responsible.
Haru, you made a mistake. You broke the one rule.
And no one walks away alone, not even to buy a drink.
Okay, can I still get that ice cream? I'm really hungry.
I believe my job here is done.
You found our son? Thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
He is a smart and brave boy. Don't lose him again.
I promised ice cream, and I'm a man of my word.
But you can't have a giant one. It's too late for that much sugar.
This one, the triple matcha sundae with the small mochi balls. I want the peach and strawberry soft serve cone.
You get whatever you want, buddy. You earned it today.
This is the best convenience store ever. It has everything.
You almost lived in a convenience store. Or a basement.
Okay, pick some snacks for tomorrow, but no more ice cream.
I'm getting pizza flavor shrimp chips. They sound epic.
Bye! おやつにしましょう。
Wow, look at all the ice cream.
All right, let's get some. What flavor?
Strawberry, please.
Chocolate for me?
So good.
Enjoying it, sweetie?
Yes,
This
Dad.
is nice.
Okay, Haru, tell us everything. Who was Mrs. Sato? She was an old lady at a beautiful garden. It was quiet there.
A quiet garden in Shibuya? That's amazing. You found a hidden spot.
And she took you all the way here? That's like miles. She said memory's tricky, and that I was smart to remember the Blue Hotel. I think you were brave, even if you were scared.
And a chef gave me an onigiri. Look, I still have it.
Keep that as a memory, a token of the kindest people in Tokyo.
And you promised never to look at drones again, right? Whoa, look at all the lights.
It looks like stars on the ground.
It does. Let's go closer.
I love this.
All right, time for bed.
Okay, let's all lie down. Can we stay together?
Yes, please.
Of course. Right here with us.
Good night, everyone. All right, everyone, let's go see the cherry blossoms.
Wow, look at all the petals.
They're so pretty. Can we get a closer look?
Of course, dear. Let's take a picture.
Great idea. Everyone smile. Our first day was crazy, but I'm glad we had the rest of the week.
Yes, it was still the best trip.
Now we know the city well.
Look, Mrs. Sato! Mrs. Sato!
Ah, the brave traveler. Off to your next adventure? This is from us. Oh, you are too kind. A pleasant reminder of a polite boy.
Haru learned a lot from you. We all did.
Goodbye, Tanaka family. Tokyo will be waiting for you.
I promise to stay close next time, Mrs. Sato. Arigatou gozaimasu!
Wow, look at the snow.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
And the lights are so pretty.
Everything looks magical.
I love this trip.
Wait, one last selfie. Everyone, squeeze in.
Make sure the big blue hotel is in the background. Haru, hold your pizza shrimp chips bag up.
I'm going to frame this picture. The day I got lost in Tokyo. 1, 2, 3, say shi.
Shibuya! We have so many memories. Good ones and scary ones.
I'm going to frame this picture.
The day I got lost in Tokyo. Say shui.
We have so many memories. Good ones and scary ones.